Yan ang aming isa pang kuting na hindi na siya kuting ngayon. Tara, Ben! Gusto ni Ben akong sumama sa garden. So, okay guys, so ngayon, busy kami ngayon kasi yun nga yung pag-uwi natin sa Pilipinas. Yan si Ben. Yun yung trampoline natin nasira. Pero tingnan nyo, ito yung ayaw kong halaman. Hindi ko alam ba't lagi itong bumabalik-balik ito. Hindi ko alam kung ano bang klase ito. Putulin natin. Oh. Okay. There you go. Ang laki, no? Ang laki nitong halaman na to. Look at this, Ben.
What is that?
I don't know.
Plant that grows. Also, the neighbor has it across the street.
Oh. What is that? Do you know?
The neighbor across the street just broke it.
So, ito yung ating peaches. So, wala siya ngayong bunga. Kasi, pansin ko dito every other year. Ito, parang same lang to nung ating pinutol. So, bunutin na natin. Kasi, hindi naman damo lang yan. Ang hirap bunutin. Okay. Alright, guys. So, let's pull. Alright. Alin pa ba? Yung isang bunga ng peaches. Ayan o. Isa lang. Peach. Buti nakasurvive siya. Isang piraso lang. Then, ang daming ibon. Kasi, sino yun? May ahas ata. Oh, there's a bird nest doon. Uy, hakal yan yung lagi. Nakahuli na naman niya ng ahas ng isang araw. Talaga naman. Nakahuli na naman siya. Yes!
Well, that's where.
Ito pa, I don't know if that's snake nest or birds. Uy, Ben, oh, there's mulberry. Ayun, oh.
Where's the bird nest?
Ay, right there, inside. Ano? Aray ko po. Ayan. Lagi tayong pupunta dito sa garden. Para tamis. Ito pa. Guys. Ano yun? Palaka. Aya, may palakang kokak. Ayun, oh.
What?
Yeah. Cute. Let's see.
He peed.
Okay. Don't let him spit on your face, ha? Yan. He pooped. It smells, no? Ay, nagwiwi yung palaka. Don't let it spit on your face, okay? There you go. Look. Tapat. Cute. Kaya sabi ko sino yung natakbo. It's gonna fall. Yan. O, diba ang cute ang palaka? Napaihi. Nervyos. Sila napaihi. Napaihi yung palakang kokok. Is he playing dead or something?
Yeah, probably.
He was here under. So yun. So puro damo ang ating tanim. Hindi na ako nagtanim kasi nga uuwi ako. Saka na. Diyan. Sa butas. Naghukay dyan mga bata kasi nagagawa silang tunnel. Tapos may kamatis na bigay si Manong.
Where's the bird nest?
I don't know. I thought it was because Huckleberry was there and they start chirping. I don't know if there's a snake or a nest. I don't know. Wait, be careful.
Wait. Oh, I see a bird.
What?
There's actually a bird under there.
Oh my goodness. So, nanguha tayo ng, hindi ko alam kung makakasurvive ba tong, ang tag dito? Tong, nawala na yung bunga ng grapes. Ay, ito malaki na. Ayun pala, akala ko nawala na guys. Kita nyo ga? Ito. Ayan. Meron pala, akala ko na lumaki na. Natakpan lang. So, parang isang bungkus lang siya. Ay, ito pa. Ay guys, may grapes na tayo. Ayun, oh. May grapes na. Pero masyado siyang malago. Ito may konti pa dun. Ito pa pala. Guys, sa tagal kong di nakakapunta sa garden, malaki na yung grapes. Dati ano pa lang yan. Parang bulaklak pa lang. Yung parang buto-buto. Mukhang may grapes talaga tayo. Bukod pa yung grapes na nandun sa kabila. Okay. So, kasi nga uuwi tayo. So, ang next step natin is mag-empake tayo. So, may papakita ko sa inyo yung mga ano ko. Ay, yung ating apple. Andyan pa sila. Akala ko, ay, may mga natuyo din pala. Pero, uy, ang dami sa taas. Ala, kumusta na yung apple natin? Lumalaki pa pala. Ito yung nangyari last year. Namunga din to, tapos nagbulaklak. Nagkaroon lang ng maliliit na buto-buto, tapos nawala na. Pero ngayon, tumutuloy siya, guys. Basunog. Pero, ayan yung medyo sunog. Okay, ito mo. Sa init, ayun, sunog yung isang yun. Pero, marami pang, diba, itong side na to pangit. Pero dito, madami pa pala siya, guys. Ayan, ito kaya lang super green pa. Merong iba super green. Meron namang iba super, yung may mapula na. Ganun pinitas ko before. So, lumalaki pala siya. Ayan, ito. Tingnan nyo, guys, ito. Green na green, no? Look at our apples, brother. There's so much. Ayan pa, apples.
Wow.
A lot, all the way to the top. Ito pa. Some are pure green. See? Kinda reddish. Lumalaki na all, parang this side red. The other side is pure green. Why is it like that? Okay, half of this is red. Has a red tinge. And this one are all green. Half red, half green. Oh, so cute, baby.
Big.
Hungry?
Yeah, he's hungry.
Oh,
If you put a
hungry?
worm on front of him.
He
Or
can
maybe
fly
get-
now. He's safe over there. The mommy will
But
go there.
Huckleberry was like trying to scoop him. I think Huckleberry can, but the mom can't find it.
Hey, cheesecake, wag ha, bawal. Oh, look, they're waiting for the bird. This one,
Oh my.
this one, that one. Where's Huckle? Naku. Miggy is.
The mother comes
Look,
out.
how cute.
The mother knows where it is.
Look how cute.
I think
Ayun, the
cats are
mom.
smart enough to eat this.
Put it back in the middle. Hala, bigla basa ng mga pusa.
Cheesecake can get it. Huckleberry can just eat it.
Did you see our grapes? This is from Aldi. Wow, look our grapes.
Did they put in the food?
Naku, Ben.
In the tree.
In the tree? You know, cats can climb the tree too. You shouldn't touch it. They're okay. Oh, you get eaten tomorrow. Look at that. Well, okay, this is what we're gonna do. Guys, pakain natin yung bird kasi ang pakain namin dyan ay mulberry tsaka uod. Teka, hanap tayo ng
He looks
hold on.
bird can
Yung ano na, ito.
flying by tomorrow maybe.
Ala? Nako naman. Okay.
Just hang it up.
Open! Nag-alaga na kami
They
dati
like,
ng birds
like
hanggang
put
sa
some of the
lumipad na.
juice on its beak, and
Uy!
then when it tastes like it's good.
Come on! Here. Like doing this. Ay, ayaw. Come on!
My hands are warm. It's like
He might fall this. Let's wait again when he opens his mouth.
You should taste it.
Maybe try the black ones. That's kind of red. Maybe it's too sour. Black one, dali, the black one. Oh, cute! Oh, the may konting hair.
Like hold his foot because
Okay.
he feels sleepy.
Dun, 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 dun. Hanap ka ng ng black na. Ito pa guys, yung ating grapes. Ayan na. May grapes tayo. Go get the black ones.
Maybe he wants a worm. I mean, that's what birds mostly eat.
Ano kayang bird yan, ah?
I don't know. Maybe it's a blackbird.
Okay, I'll dig for worm. Dito siguro. Ayun! Ito, Ben. Oh. Ito. Okay. Aba! Yun pala ang gusto niya. Sige. Ano ba? Uy! Ang arte.
Maybe it doesn't know it's a worm because it's covered.
Come on! So we have to save this worm. We have to... He pooped. Okay. That's okay.
Okay, I'll grab it.
He got nervous. Wow, he's ano oh. Ow. Hold on. He's sticking. He's sticking. Oh, that hurts.
Are you ready to fly?
Ayaw niyang kumain. Baby, he's ready. Sige nga. Let him fly. Ito na yung laman ng ating...
Saved
Wait, where is this from?
Mommy,
Ben, where's this from?
I raised 3 birds.
I
Oh.
know.
I got that from the library. There was free books.
Library?
I got
Dumpster?
the free books at the library.
From the
I mean,
dumpster?
No, there's bins that says free books. I
Ah.
wonder if we can sell it.
Or we can... Why don't we read it first before we sell it? Ayun
Got
pa oh.
Astronaut.
We got astronaut. Does this thing works? This still works?
Yeah, this power wheel still works.
Well, what is this charger
This
for?
bird still works.
Ito yung mga kinuha ni Ben na books. Mystery and Chocolate. That's a good book.
I know.
Why don't we put it inside? Push and pull. A place of your own making. Building a house. Kasi mahilig siya mag-build. Volleyball. Bottom line yearbook.
Oh no, he's getting his wings ready.
National Parks. Ito yung pinick up niya. Tapos nilagay niya dito sa kanyang sasakyan. Ito guys, ano to, battery operated. Tapos, kinarga niya. Meron daw free. Kasi nagbibisikleta siya. Nag-ano nito dito sa neighborhood.
Daddy, look.
Toys. Uy, Mickey Mouse oh. Encyclopedia toys. From ano to, sa library. This is all about Indiana Football World Almanac. Ba, maganda yung mga nakuha niya. Ayan. Book of Facts. Wow, okay. Dami niyang nakuhang books. Interesado siya sa home building, kaya yan yung pinili niya. At saka mga ganyan. Astronaut, mga gusto nila. Waken up. Yan yung pagbibuild na naman, Native American homes. Ikot mo, yung drive mo lang. So, yan yung power wheel ni Kuya at Ben. Itina-charge lang yan. Medyo maliit kay Kuya, pero okay pa rin naman. Maliit para sa kanya, pero okay pa rin naman. And then, ilalagay na sa bahay nila.
How many kittens are in there?
We need huckleberry.
Nako, Hackle is hard to
Yeah.
She's the hardest to catch.
Laying down here.
Ay, nako, masyado nag-garden this year kasi hindi ko na maasikaso. Sige, Ben. Nako, she's very, nako, she's the hunter. If ever, she's the one.
Oh wow.
Just let it, let it.
Get over here.
And just watch. Go. Put it down. Yes. Papali pa rin na. Dahil yung nanay. Or put it on that hole on the tree. No? Right there, bebe. Go. Yes. Okay. Let's see where he's going. Let's see where he's going. See how he can walk now. He'll hide under the wood. It's okay. Oh. See? Hey, Hackle is just hiding somewhere. Naku po. Si Hackle biglang sumulpot. Oh, grab Huckleberry. Ayun o, Huckleberry is ano. You're right there. Hoy, don't step on Mr. Kit's garden. Naku. Nice save. Nice save. Naku, pumuntik
I saved
na.
your life.
I saved your life. There you go. The hunter came out of nowhere. This is the hunter. Her face is on snakes, mouse, rat. Good job. Hackle. Tingnan ko nga kung kasya ako. Ay, how do you, Ben? How do you... Yes, I'm writing it right now. Hold on. Sige nga, how do you...
Turn.
Okay, and then... And then,
Step on the pedal.
pedal. Okay. Whoa. Baby, watch out!
What Mama said.
Honey, should I let this bird go? It's gonna keep it. Let this bird go.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Sa today, nag live selling ako. Medyo marami-rami tayong nabenta. So medyo magulo yung maganda yung nakapatas na yon. Pero dito sa baba medyo makalat kasi naghalikwa tayo. Anyway, so ngayon, 'di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo, uuwi kami ng Pinas and then also nakakuha na kami ng ticket. So ngayon, sino yung mga kasama nating uuwi? So yung kasama nating uuwi is si na mother at father. Uuwi na guys sila ng Pinas dahil hindi sila, I think mas makakabuti kung nandun sila sa Pilipinas kasi mas marami sila dun na kaibigan, mga kamag-anak. Dito kasi nakakulong lang sila sa bahay. But anyways, I feel like tingin ko mas magiging okay sila doon. Tsaka hindi ko na sila masyado maalagaan dito sa Amerika. Dahil nga meron akong pamilya, 2 anak, wala akong katulong. Dito kasi sa Amerika, hindi uso ang katulong. Mano-mano, kahit pamilyonaryo ka, talagang gagawa ka ng sarili mo, sariling sikap. Minsan naman, nagtrabaho ako sa New York. Parang, kasama ako nung 2 matanda. So, ganon, depende sa state siguro. Pero, pansin ko dito, kahit mayayaman, hindi nga nagkakatulong. So, lalo na ako. So, ang hirap kasi may pamilya rin ako. Tapos ngayon naman ako ngayong negosyo, itong live selling, nakafocus ako. So, mas maigi sila na sa Pilipinas na lang. So, yung kasamang uuwi is sina mother at father. So, yun guys, doon na sila. So, syempre, ngayon, magkakaroon kami ng chance na bisitahin sila doon, na umuwi ng madalas kasi nandun na sila. So, yun guys, yung balita, uuwi na sila. Kasi nga, hindi, parang mas bagay sila doon. Kahit na dito may anak, pero hindi ko rin maasikaso na. Sobrang busy. Gaya ngayon guys, nagtrabaho ako. Anong oras na? 4:00. Pupunta sana ako doon. Kaso, wala, tulugan na sila. 4:00 sila natutulog. Or something, hindi ko alam. So, sobrang busy. Tas, yun nga, homeschooling pa kami. Tas, dito kami nandito nga kami sa bahay, pero hindi yung nakatambay lang kami, ganun. Siyempre, nagtatrabaho kami pareho nung asawa ko. So, yun guys, yun yung decision natin, na uwi na lang sila. And, I think, mas makakabuti yun sa kanila. So, comment down below kung ano bang sa tingin nyo, yung tama ba yung decision or hindi. Let me know sa comment box.